I'm keeping the couriers busy. Let me go fetch the package. The couriers has just delivered another package. I'm keeping them very busy. And this is the latest delivery. My toaster oven to do some polyclay and obviously to do some stabilizing. So let's open the box and see what it looks like. Is this going to do the job? As easy as that. The manual. If I remember correctly, it is a 42 litre, so it's nice and big. I can even do a chicken here. I see it takes a rotisserie. It does indeed. There we go. Everything's tied together for transportation. So this will go in the bottom. This will go in there. This is to lift the tray. Okay, so that's all the accessories. I'll have to obviously go through the manual and check all of it out. Timer, temperature, selector if you want to heat from the top or the bottom or both, and this is your on-off switch. Now it's well known for these stoves not to be 100% accurate, and that's why I got two of these. I got two different ones. So this will either stand close to the door so you can keep an eye on the temperature, or I'll actually hang them on the shelf there. That won't work, so they'll have to stand there, and you can keep an eye on the temperature. This is my Cactus Juice. And my Cactus Juice dyes. My first lot I got 5 different colors. And now I'm ready for stabilizing. Warning, hot surface. So this will be hot on top. electric oven. Excellent. And there you go, I can get cooking. I'm almost there. I'm waiting for some resin that I've ordered. And I'm almost 100% up and running. I've got my vacuum chamber, got my pressure chamber, my compressors running. My lathe is waiting, shouting, why haven't I been turning? Almost there. Thanks for watching this unboxing with me. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about pen turning, stabilizing, casting resin, go to the comments below and leave us a comment and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us the thumbs up. That's very important. The more thumbs up I get, the more subscribers I get, the more I grow and the more videos I can do. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, lekker lekker. Bye for now.